Have you ever wondered how you can grow your own chives from store-bought bunches? Today, we're going to unravel this mystery and show you a simple yet effective way to cultivate your own fresh, flavorful chives right at home. Well, it's easier than you might think. First, gather what you need. Start with fresh, store-bought chive bunches. You'll also need a pot, any size will do, as well as a good quality potting soil. Lastly, ensure you have water on hand for immediate hydration. Now that you have everything ready, let's move on to the planting process. Begin by taking a few stalks of your store-bought chives. Arrange them gently in a pot filled halfway with quality potting soil. Make sure the roots are well submerged, but the green parts are above the soil. Add more soil around the stalks, just enough to cover the roots. Firm the soil gently with your fingers. Water them thoroughly, but be careful not to overwater. You want the soil to be moist, not waterlogged. And there you go. Your chives are now planted and ready to grow. Taking care of your chives is crucial for their growth. Water them thoroughly, but only when the soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Chives love sunlight, so ensure they get at least 6 hours of it daily. Harvesting should ideally begin 8 weeks after planting. Snip off the tops, leaving about 2 inches for regrowth. Remember, frequent harvesting encourages more growth. With these tips, you should be able to grow your chives successfully. Growing your chives at home is a simple and rewarding process. You've seen how easy it is to get started with just a store-bought bunch. Imagine the satisfaction of garnishing your dishes with fresh, homegrown chives. Besides, who wouldn't love the convenience of reaching into their garden instead of the fridge? All it takes is a little time and care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.